Hi guys, so I'm here at this beach that we we scootered to. It was really fun and cute. They have all these scooters, my family, and so we're here at the beach and they're over on the little pier thing talking to some people, and there was like an air show today that was like commemorating this Swiss guy who in like 1910, so today is the 100-year anniversary, August 28th, 2010, and 100 years ago today he flew a plane over, I forget where, but it was like some passage of water that is twice as long as the English Channel, so it was like 100K or something, and he landed like a few minutes away from the house of the family that I'm living with, so kind of cool. And so they had all these planes flying around, and I didn't get to film the big planes. They were only out for like a few seconds, and then they went down, and then it was kind of over. But there are kind of these model planes, you probably can't see them. And then these ones on the water. I think that one was flying earlier. But anyway, here's the lake. Here's a little beach. And the mountains, and it's beautiful. I really like that mountain. You can't really see it though. It's not very, it's under clouds right now. But this is the lake. Very clean, swimmable, boatable, planeable. I don't know if it's fishable, but it's gorgeous. Alright, that's it for now. Bye.
Celui-là, on l'a vu atterrir.
Non, mais tu décollais là, côté descendait.
Non, c'est l'autre. L'autre qui a disparu là derrière, mais sur le lac.
Tu dois partir avec. Ouais.